parrot. Scarlet. It's not a parrot. It's scarlet. There's the front. Obviously, it's just Legos, so really good to do often. It's fun. So let's dress up another color. Hey, you can just see what the song going on. Let's reveal that half of the effort came with the other ones I did. Takes forever to build all this stuff. All this stuff gets built. It's kind of cute.